Our tour guide, Kitty, was wonderful. He arrived early and even brought us a bag of roti saimai, which quickly became one of my favorite desserts. Although he didn't speak English, we had no trouble communicating at all. Kitty was friendly and took amazing photos of our family. If you're planning to book this trip, I highly recommend requesting Kitty as your guide. The best day trip in my Thai journey. Our tour guide Billy is a passionate and dedicated person. He tells us a lot of details about the temples, cares a lot about the details of our trip. He's also a good driver and we're all feeling safe on the car. I would rate it 10. I have just come back from finishing this tour with my parents and I want to say that I highly recommend this to those who are reading but may still be hesitant with booking this tour. The trip was perfectly planned with just the right amount of activities, keeping the day eventful but still relaxing, as there was always enough time in between to soak in each destination. I especially recommend this to those who have limited time in Bangkok but still want to include Ayutthaya and a floating market in their itinerary. While the tour itself was extremely fun, I have to say that the highlight of the trip was our extremely friendly and flexible tour guide Mr. Nui. He went above and beyond to ensure our day was as memorable as it could be. From arriving early to pick us up at our hotel, our driver, Mr. Key, was so friendly and approachable. He took care of us and showed much concern, especially when the rain heavily poured while we were on the boat for Firefly watching. He waited for us in the port, not minding he will get wet due to the heavy rain, just to ensure we will get back safe. Our tour was overall great and we highly recommend Mr. Key as a driver for this tour. Our driver Mr. Niayam was pleasant, friendly, and knowledgeable. He was enthusiastic in taking photos for us and even gave us a bit of history lesson. His driving was comfortable too. Itinerary-wise, it's a good mix of culture and shopping. As someone mentioned, the journey from Ayutthaya to Amphawa will cut through BKK. It is a very pleasant and memorable trip. Mr. Mu is very friendly, punctual, drives safely, and recommended good places. We visited historical places in Ayutthaya, had delicious lunch at Ayutthaya Shrimp Market, and spotted a lot of firefly. Despite the 100°+ weather, which was really fiery emoji. The temple's tour was awesome and very interesting. Our driver Kai was a big plus and awesome in making our trip worth a while. Thank God for the phone translator app, which makes easy to communicate with language barriers. The food at Ayutthaya Shrimp Market was great, fresh and tasty.